Welcome to MachiningCloud's features within a job. A smarter way to associate and organize cutting tools in your job to a particular feature you need to machine. You can access features from the fourth tab at the top of the screen once you are in a job. Once selected, choose New and add to new feature. Then simply choose the feature that best matches your application, whether it's a hole, pocket or turning operation. From there, enter the key job details. Your machine, turret, spindle and workpiece material will already be selected if you have already added them to the job. Then define the feature dimensions such as diameter and depth. You can also apply tolerance requirements to refine your results. Additional information can be added depending on the feature you have selected, such as corner style, corner width, diameter of existing hole, incline entry and any notes you wish to add. If you are unsure, the visual guides on the right hand side make it easy to understand exactly what's being asked. When you have finished with the inputs, select the advisor at the bottom. From here you can add tool properties such as tool type preference, solid or indexable, tool material or whether you want through coolant or not. Additional information can also be added to refine your search. Once your inputs are complete, click Continue. The tool advisor will then run in the background while preparing the results. Once ready, they will be displayed in the Download tab at the top of the screen where you can access the ranked list of tooling options, with results prioritized by performance, including material removal rate, so you can quickly identify the most efficient solution. Tooling for the hole will be displayed on the left, with tooling for the counterboard being displayed on the right. You can also use the filters to narrow down your tooling search. Select the tooling you wish to use from the list, then choose Add Selected Tools to Job at the top of the screen. Then go to Job. As you can see, the feature and tooling associated with it have now been added. If you want to assign different tooling to any of the features, select Assign Tools at the top of the screen, and you can select any tool you have in your tool list that is in your job. Simply drag and drop to replace the tool. MachiningCloud's features within a job helps you move from problem to solution faster, simplifying tool selection and bringing greater organisation and confidence to your machining process.